Welcome back to another episode. Today's episode is really important because you don't want to make all the mistakes I did for you and what I saw in all those years of surf coaching. I'm Daniel, I'm ISA2 surf coach and co-founder of the Surf Companions, and behind me it's all about to choose the right, that's my dog by the way, to choose the right board. And to choose the right board, there are only several things which you have to have in mind, which a lot of people forget. Because the first mistake usually people do, they go for a beautiful surfboard who look cool, who's expensive, who looks nice on Instagram, but it doesn't help you in your surfing. If you want to start out surfing, or you want to improve your surfing, you want to have a lot of waves, and that's the main goal in surfing, to catch a lot of waves during your sessions, you should go for a bigger board. And now it comes. Mistake number 2 is, it should also look beautiful and has to have those beautiful fins and so on. Like, instead of going for the look, you should go for the practical equipment. Means, does it have enough size? Is it big enough for me? Because a person, you might be a smaller or bigger person. If you're a bigger person, you need a bigger board. It sounds maybe too simple to be true, but a lot of people don't even look for that. And if you're smaller, you can also surf a smaller board. Yes, those big boards are not easy to carry on the beach. It's more heavy and so on, but you have more buoyancy, means more volume. Longer board means more buoyancy. If it's too long, we talk about 9 feet and more, we call it also a longboard. It comes to the category longboard. It's too long and too big if you're starting out or if you want to practice on your short boarding. Everything I say right now, I also do myself, by the way. So all those mistakes and experiences, trust me guys, don't do it. Because the main goal again is to have a lot of waves. More waves, more fun. What is important about that kind of soft top is the following. It's usually around 8 feet or smaller. If you're a smaller woman or guy, you can also have around 7'2", 7'4" feet. But the cool thing here, maybe you see in the camera, it's soft. So even if you get hit by it, I hope it doesn't happen, but sometimes it happens, you feel safe. And I hope if you take only one thing away from this video, you feel safe in the water. So you catch a lot of waves, you feel safe because it's a soft top, so the material is more soft. Sorry guys, this is the biggest advantages ever. I give you another one. And it's cheaper. And it doesn't get hurt so quick. So your equipment stays longer with you, it is cheaper, and you feel more safe. Obviously the disadvantage in a performance standpoint is because the fins are really soft but safe, your turns wouldn't be that radical. But to be honest, we all not gonna be pro surfers anymore, especially if you're above 20s anyway, because professional surfing, like in every sport, you have to start when you're 4, but you want to have the most fun out of your surf sessions. That's why please consider, if you ever want to buy a surfboard, have in mind you want to stay safe. Please mark it really big, write it down, safe, and you want to have a lot of waves. So if you catch a lot of waves, you have more progress. And surf progress is exactly that what I want to teach you in this whole channel. You might saw some videos over the surf skating, also with the surf mobility. I also show something with surf balance board. It's actually here right now. So if you like the content so far, what I teach you here, I would love to see you smash the like button and comment below what kind of surfboard you ride, and did you had similar experiences once you go on your holiday or you're surfing. By the way, last tip I want to give you about choosing the right equipment is the following. Yes, have a look. I want to catch the most wave, safety and so on. And the best way to try those things out is, for example, if you go to a surf camp, surf school, or you have a lot of friends with a lot of surfboards, try different surfboards. So for example, in this kind of condition, for example, hip-high waves, it's like soft, smaller waves, you shouldn't go in with your shortboard, unless the shortboard is shaped in a different way, which has more volume or is wider, for example, with a fish. We call it a fish shape. But you should choose the right equipment at the right session. Try it out, leave a comment below what you think about this video and what kind of issue you have right now in your surfing, what kind of knowledge you're missing. By the way, we have regularly every month, I'm doing a live coaching stream where you can ask questions. You can see it on our website. And if you still want to know how to do things like proper, how to do bottom turn, cutback, or even if you're starting out, how to do takeoff, where waves coming from, and so on, we from the Surf Companions, we illustrated those books for you. We have the beginner and the intermediate one, link in the description below. I can't wait to see you in the next video to explain you more about surfing, because this is surfing is like still that sport which makes me excited to go out, wax my board, and just have fun. So can't wait to see you next time. Daniel from the Surf Companions.